Oh, we're looking like a bum today. Looking a state. But we're gonna fix that ASAP. I need to fix myself right now. I've already done the brows. I filmed that separately. Do you know what? It makes such a difference when you put time in, a little bit of time and effort in your self-care. And today I'm not feeling my best. So do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a little everyday glam. A little everyday glam to make me feel better. Hi girls, I hope you're all doing really well. It's so good to be back. I literally said I'm gonna post one video every week. The timing could vary, but I'm hoping that the time will be spot on every time, but I'm committing to this. I really want to come back on YouTube. Hopefully there'll be more extra videos on the side, but to keep it realistic for me, especially because I have a 9 to 5, I work full time, managing everything on TikTok and Instagram, and like having to do YouTube is so much. So one day a week is realistic for me. I don't know, posting my last vlog I don't know, I just felt like this pull towards YouTube. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you can find me on there, and that's where I post the most, and on Instagram because I do post a lot on my stories. But yeah, you can find me on those platforms as well. Yeah, let's jump straight into it because your girl needs to sort herself out ASAP. We're using some of my simple Repair Rich cream. It's perfect for my skin type at the moment because my skin has been dry. It's been breaking out. Obviously, like the eating throughout December has been a joke. I have put so much weight on in such a short period of time, and it's like I work so hard for months for me to put the weight back on, and it's just like, excuse me, how dare you? It is annoying, but I don't like to beat myself, you know, up over it because, you know, I enjoyed my December. It's like the festive period. There's always food going around, and I'm just gonna get back on track tomorrow. You see Monday 5th, the January 5th, that Monday. This is the Garnier Vitamin C UV Daily Fluid. The glow one, because it has a little bit of a tint. I'm actually not going anywhere, but I want to film like my nail video because I'm doing a little mini series of like resets. I'm going to try and post them as YouTube shorts so you guys can see them. Yeah, I'm just resetting myself for January, but I'm doing it all at home. Like I don't want to go to the salon. I don't want to go to anywhere. I don't want to spend money on this. I just want to use stuff that I have at home, do with what I have. Do you know what I mean? You just have to put time aside for it. This gives such a nice glow to the skin. Can you peep that? So nice. We're keeping it drugstore over here, so we're going to use the Beauty Crop Skin Tint. When I went Mauritius, I literally wore this every single day, and the skin just looked great. Skin was looking great. I use a shade. I swear it's caramel. I know it's caramel. Oh, I need to wash my brushes. This is like really lightweight. It gives me enough coverage, and the shade is like literally on point. So this probably is going to go up later, but I feel like this week I really want to try and read The Housemaid because everyone has been raving about it, and you don't know, I love reading. The Housemaid is not really like my genre. The genre I like is like romance, but like fantasy romance, romantasy. That is like my cup of tea. Or I love a dark romance or gothic fantasy. Like Fairy Tale is one of my like favorite books, and I love like thick books where you have to, it just like builds up and builds up and builds up, and then the ending, it was just like so worth it. Like I love books like that. Okay, so I'm already feeling better. Rimmel Multitasker Concealer. I use the shade Honey in this, but as you can see from that previous clip, my nails look atrocious. So I just want to do a little makeup so I feel good, and then I can go film my nail video. And I want to keep it all drugstore. I wanted to show you guys some products that I've been loving because it's been a while since I did a makeup video on here. Okay, blending all of that with a brush. I kind of like moved away from beauty blenders. I always use brushes now. I don't know, I just feel like you get the most of your product. I used to love beauty blender though. It was quick. Putting a little bit more. Your girl needs a little bit more coverage. I don't like to put too much like close to my lash line because then it creases quite a bit. And like I have to do a whole process with like powder and stuff. So I try to put minimal product near my lash line. Just concealing anywhere else that I need a bit more coverage. Been loving the LYS cream bronzer. This one is in No Limits Harmony. Like these kind of products work best when you use a stippling brush. Love a bit of bronzer. Especially like a cream bronzer. A bit more. Just look at that. Look at the difference. And it just literally blends like butter. So easy to work with. On my nose, I just like to put a bit of it on my sides. Like I literally don't even do anything neat. Just pinch the brush and I just blend on the sides. Already coming together. Like no joke, I've legit been feeling like a bum lately. Okay. I've been wanting to try this new Cloud Paint by Maybelline. It's in the shade Toasted Sky. Oh, it's quite pigmented. Blending this on, going on smoothly. I really like that. Applied really nicely. I'm gonna fix my concealer. If I don't fix my concealer between my blush and my concealer, like it can highlight my very hollow under eyes. Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, an oldie but a goodie. Literally. Look at the difference. I'm just gonna go back in with my blush. I'm gonna go like this as well and set between my smile lines. Guys, one product that I think is worth it, like I have dry skin, but I think this really makes my makeup last, is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Universal Balm. It's like a blurring balm powder. It smooths the skin and it really helps with my smile line. Definitely worth the investment, but today we're focusing on drugstore. I'm actually going to take some of that blush and put it on my lid. I don't know why I love like creamy products on my lid. Like for every day, I feel like if you want it to last, just set it with a bit of powder because otherwise it will crease. I'm using a lot of Rimmel today, but Rimmel Glam Eyes eyeliner, I've been using this for the longest time. I need a little bit of a wing. Okay, I'm happy with that. My hands are really shaky today. Okay, I'm happy with that. For mascara, I have been obsessed with the Rimmel Thrill Seeker Extreme Mascara. Like literally doesn't budge. It makes my eyelashes look so good. I'm gonna do this eye. You really don't need a lot. One coat, people. Do not sleep on their mascaras. And I love that it gives like a nice wispy lash. This kind of makeup is like so me because I do keep it pretty natural on a daily basis. So we're gonna leave that as that. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. And take Morphe Rocksteady lip liner. I just love this color. It's almost the shade of my hyperpigmentation on my lips, but it allows me to like emphasize my lip shape a bit more while still looking natural. And sometimes I could just go out like this. What do we put on the center? Guys, don't sleep on H&B Cosmetics. Their lip glosses are really nice. This one's in the shade 12 and it's like this perfect baby pink shade. Literally nothing too crazy. I have been loving a bit of her highlight, so I'm gonna put some of this Revlon Skin Light. Look at that. It just looks so youthful. Go back with the mascara. I'm not gonna even touch the brows. Sort this hair out. I kind of like the hair like this. Do you not like the hair like this? We definitely went from bum to put together. This is kind of like my everyday look, guys. Like if you see me, this is how I'm gonna look. Even like going to events and stuff, I feel like I've toned down my makeup taste. But as you can tell from like my makeup transitions and stuff, I love to play around with makeup and be creative with it. So yeah, this is me on an everyday basis. So yeah, if you guys really like this video, make sure to subscribe. Let me know what your favorite drugstore product is at the moment because I want to try. Literally, thank you so much for stopping by and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.